Hi, what's up guys? Thank you for picking up Adbuddy through my link. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to a secret advertising platform that I'm using right now and getting some insanely good results with. So I'm going to share my screen and we're going to jump into it. So it's called, well, it's effectively advertising on YouTube, but it's not via video, it's via image ads. So to do this, you need to go to a place called AdWords. Just click adwords.google.com, ADWORDS, adwords.google.com. You're going to come through to this place. So obviously you need to sign up for an account first, but it's pretty straightforward. AdWords is Google's advertising platform, if you don't know, and Google owns YouTube, so this works on YouTube to advertise. Now, before you actually do anything, I recommend that you go through to a place called voucherstore.net, but all one word, voucherstore.net. Okay, and then you're going to search along here for Google AdWords. You're going to click on Google AdWords, and here you're going to be able to buy a voucher which is going to give you $100 worth of advertising credit that you can use inside of AdWords. So just go and buy this. It costs $9.99. It's going to give you $100 to spend. So once you've bought that, go back to your AdWords account, click on this little spanner here, and then you're going to go to billing and payments. And then over here on the left, well, obviously you need to add your own card first. All right, you need to add your own card, and you need to add, I'd say, around $25 or $30 of your own money, just to kind of be fair to AdWords, instead of just using these vouchers all the time. But once you've done that, go through to settings down here on the left, over here, scroll down to the bottom where it says promotional codes, click on manage promotional codes. Okay, and this is the place where you're going to add this promotional code that you've got from voucherstore.net. So you'll be able to hit the ground running with $100 worth of free money right from the get-go, which is pretty cool. So once you've done that, you're going to go through to campaigns over here on the left. You're going to click on this plus button and you're going to create a new campaign. Now for this, we're going to click on the display network. Okay, so click on display. But don't worry about any of this stuff, just create a campaign without a goal and just go to standard display campaign. Okay, don't worry about any of this stuff, just click on continue. Now, you need to come up with a campaign name. You need to choose your target locations, okay? So depending on what you are advertising or what you are offering, whether it's a CPA offer, you need to make sure that you're advertising to the correct location in order to be getting paid via CPA, or it depends if you have an e-commerce store, where you would like your traffic to come from. You can enter in different locations here. So you just click on whatever country you want, just type it in there, and then you target United States or United Kingdom or wherever. Obviously select your language that you want to use, and we're going to go with viewable impressions. How do you like to get your viewable impressions? Bid on viewable impressions. Pay for viewable impressions. Okay, we're going to select our budget here. I'm just going to start with $5 per day. Delivery method, it's up to you. I usually start with standard, and then if the campaign takes off, then I'll go to accelerated, but that's what I actually recommend that you do. And then you're going to create an ad group, so just call that something. If you have any audiences, you can choose them there. If not, don't worry about it. And then you're going to choose an ad group bid. So how many thousands of views you're going to pay. I'm just going to start with 50 cents, 1,000 views, and then you can create your ad here. So you can upload. You can add a responsive ad. Now you can add your image in here. Okay, now this is going to be, you can upload your image here. You need to make sure that you get the right file size, but this is responsive as well. So you can just upload your image from Adbuddy that you've got, you can upload it into there. Okay, and then once you've done that, you can save, and then you can write your headline and stuff, and you can see what it's going to look like on YouTube, on mobile, or the display network. And once you've done that, you just simply click on create campaign, and it's going to start running your ads after around 24 hours because it needs to confirm your ads first. I'm just going to cancel it because I'm not actually going to make one right now, but that's basically how you do it. The clicks actually work out cheaper than Facebook. So it's a much more efficient way of advertising, I find, than using Facebook ads. Anyway, that's my secret advertising platform. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Speak to you on the next one. Take care.